So the way I see it is right now we're using LLMs as they are, right? We're all using the APIs, we're all using ChatGPT. You know, companies are basically just wrapping their software around ChatGPT and calling it a new product, right? Which is dumb, but it's happening. The next phase is you're going to have companies that are going to jump really deep into fine tuning, where they're going to take those models and they're going to fine tune it to their documents. And that's, you know, the smarter companies are already doing that. But that phase will be with us for a long time. The fine tuning phase. And then the third phase is when people will say, well, no, I don't want to just fine tune. I don't want to use Llama. I don't want to use whatever. I want to build my LLM from the ground up. I want my own company-specific LLM with nothing but my documents in it, and I want to do that from the ground up. That's going to happen too. That's the third phase. So that's where I see it going. That's where I see it going.